Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. A very warm welcome to all of you in your English class. Today we are going to continue with the same topic, that is the customs of various regions of Pakistan. This is lecture number 4. These are our learning outcomes. By the end of today's session, inshallah, all the students will be able to read and comprehend the text, deduce the meaning of words given in the text by going through it, and answer the questions related to the text. Explanation of the chapter. Paragraph number 1. Pakistan is blessed with breathtaking natural scenery. In the north are the snow-capped mountains with silvery waterfalls and cool lakes. The central part consists of the fertile green plains of the Punjab and Sindh. Then there are the rocky regions of Balochistan and the beautiful shores of the Arabian Sea. These geographical variations are reflected in the customs of the people of various regions of our country. Paragraph number 2. The tribesmen and the Pathans of the north are strong and brave people. They have fought the invaders accessing from the north. Even today, you will rarely see a Pathan from the tribal area without carrying a weapon. Paragraph number 3. The strength of a tribe is determined by men's population. The birth of a son is considered a great blessing. The proud father announces the birth of a son by rifle shots. Paragraph number 4. Sheep are bred in large herds on the green slopes of the northern region. The favorite food of the people is meat. Roast mutton and spicy chapli kebabs are popular dishes. They are frequently prepared at special kebab shops. The Pathans are very hospitable by nature. Their generosity to their guests is well known. They will protect a visitor or a person whom they have given refuge, even at the cost of their own lives. Marriages are arranged by parents. The Punjab, the land of 5 rivers, has been called the heart of Pakistan by the founder of the nation. It has always been a center of culture and a seat of learning. The University of Taxila flourished nearly 2,500 years ago. Even today, a large number of schools, colleges, and universities are flourishing in the Punjab. The habits, dialects, and dress vary from place to place. With nearly every district, some particular craft is associated. The inlaid furniture of Chinnot, the sports goods of Sialkot, the cutlery of Wazirabad, the pottery of Gujarat and Bhavalpur, and the embroidery of Multan are famous all over the country. Paragraph number 6. The Punjabis are religious minded. They give a great deal of importance to their festivals and fairs which are connected with Urs at the shrines of famous saints. People from all over the country gather at these shrines, sing devotional songs called qawwalis, and participate in the festivities of the fair. The famous Mela Chiraga, held in Lahore every year, is the Urs of Saint Madhulal Hussain. Hundreds of thousands of people participate in the Urs of Hazrat Baba Farid Shakarganj at Pakpatan and that of Data Ganj Bakhsh in Lahore. Paragraph number 7. The Chopal is a meeting place for the villagers where they settle their disputes without approaching the courts. They also discuss their day to day problems and seek advice. Generally, they gather for the sake of pleasure of being together. Sometimes youngsters sing folk songs. Paragraph number 8. In a village wedding, the close relatives of the bride and groom come to stay well before the wedding. The ceremonies may go on even after the wedding. The entire village participates in the function. The youngsters celebrate the wedding with great enthusiasm. Paragraph number 9. In Balochistan, which is made up of vast barren lands and dry mountains, extreme weather makes life quite difficult for the people. Even though large and small towns have developed, many still live a nomadic life. They keep shifting their homes. In winter, they come down from the mountains and in summer go back to their homes in the hills. Paragraph number 10. In extreme cold weather, the Balochis place a sandli, which is a local stove with a little burning coal in the middle of the room. It is placed under a table and a large quilt or a blanket is spread over the table. All the family members get under the quilt or the blanket to keep themselves warm. The Balochis lead a simple life. They spread a blanket on the floor, place the food in the middle, and sit around it to have their meals. They usually sit and sleep on the floor and entertain their guests in the same way. Well to do families use carpets instead of blankets. Paragraph number 12. The rocky area of the region is mostly barren and water is in short supply. Women have to carry water from long distances. They wear most of their jewelry all the time. The traditional jewelry of Balochistan is beautifully designed. The Balochi wedding ceremonies are performed with great enthusiasm. The groom arranges feast for his own and bride's guests. The food is brought along with the barat. The civilization of Sindh is one of the oldest in the world. The ancient city of Mohenjo-daro dates back to 2500 BC, and its ruins speak of the highly developed society that existed there about 5000 years ago. Most festivals in Sindh, as in the Punjab, are of religious nature. Devotees from all over Pakistan come to the Urs of mystic poets and saints like Shahbaz Khalandar and Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai. Many folk songs are sung to their memory. Paragraph number 16. The folk music of Sindh is very sweet and melodious. The iktara is a popular one-stringed instrument used in Sindh from ancient times. The algoza is another instrument typical of this region. Paragraph number 17. The Sindhi embroidery is admired all over Pakistan as well as in foreign countries. The dresses of both men and women are colorfully embroidered in silk thread. Even for their usually daily wear, most women wear dresses embroidered heavily in thread, beads, and mirror. Mirror work is also done on purses and cushions. Paragraph number 18. Some of the customs of Pakistan come from the age old social traditions of land and some from religious background. But no matter what their origin, these colorful and interesting customs add charm to the life of the people of the various regions of Pakistan. Here is an exercise related to the text. You are required to choose the best answer from the given options. This is your homework for today. You are required to complete the given exercise, which has already been discussed in this lecture, in your notebook. I hope you'll find today's lecture both informative as well as interesting. Inshallah, in the next class, we will start a new topic. Until then, it is Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.